everyone, and welcome to today's office hour session, ISI Support, Tools, Tips, and Recordings. I'm Veronica Boudreau, a Customer Relationship Manager here at ISI Analytics, and I'll be your host today as Adam is out of the office. We have a special guest with us, our VP of Customer Success, Jane Chowaniec.
Thanks, Veronica. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here with you. Today, we're going to do something a little different. Instead of just diving straight into product features, we want to make sure you know exactly where to go when you need help, answers, or just a refresher.
Let's start with our resource page. This is the central hub for all of our documentation. To get there, just head to isianalytics.com and click on the resources. Once you're on the page, you'll see it's organized into three categories: Learn and Explore, Content Type, and Support. It's broken down into subsections to help you navigate to where you want to go. I'm going to navigate to our knowledge base.
One of the most popular sections is the popular articles area. These are the articles that customers visit the most. Things like how to set up queue dashboards, installing and registering a Cloud Connect, or maybe even a quick start guide to using the Data Export API. However, there are navigable categories on the left to help guide you to the article you are looking for. If you're ever stuck, chances are one of these articles has what you need.
And don't forget the search bar at the bottom. Sorry, at the top. It is very useful. Just type in a word, kind of like Q Analytics or login issues. It will surface the most relevant articles right away.
I always tell customers, don't be afraid to experiment with the search terms. Even if you don't know the exact phrase, the search engine is designed to pull up related content.
So now let's move to the next step. What happens if you can't find the answer you're looking for? That's where our support team comes in. You can submit a support request directly from our website.
Exactly. To do that, just go to isianalytics.com/support. And from here, you have a few options. One, you're welcome to call in with a request. Or you can fill out a form with your details and what you're inquiring about so our technicians can get to work helping you.
Here's the important part: set your expectations. Our support team is fast, but the more detail you provide up front, the faster they can resolve your issue. If you can include error messages or steps to reproduce the problem, it really speeds things up.
Right. Think of it like the old help us help you. If you send us, my report is broken, we'll need to ask a lot of follow-up questions. But if you send us, when I open report X with fields Y and constraints Z, I expect to see A, but I'm really only seeing B. We can often solve it in the first reply. Okay, so now you know how to find documentation and how to submit a ticket. But what if you're more of a visual learner, or you just like to watch someone walk through the things step by step?
That's when our past videos come in. Every office hour session, like this one, is recorded and available to you. You can find them directly on our website, either in the office hours or the resource videos.
And it's not just office hours. We've got product demos and deep dive sessions on our YouTube page. So if you're ever looking for a walkthrough, there's a great chance we already have a video that covers it.
I personally recommend checking out some of the Q Analytics office hour recordings. They've been really popular and they cover a lot of customer use cases. And of course, we're going to continue adding new sessions every month.
So to recap, when you need help, start with our help site. Use the search bar and popular articles. If you still need more, submit a detailed support request so our team can jump right on it. And if you're looking for a demo or walkthrough, check out our past recordings or YouTube channel.
Exactly. That's the roadmap: documents, tickets, and videos. Between those three, you'll always have a way to get answers you need. Thanks so much for joining us today. And as always, we're here to support you